Manual lifting just got smarter. Meet Troy Chain Pulley Block, a smarter choice for heavy-duty manual lifting engineered for efficiency, safety, and ergonomics. With its G80 grade alloy steel load chain and manganese steel anti-falling hook, Troy delivers superior strength and also secure load engagement every single lift, requiring just 21 kg of effort for lifting 1 ton. Troy is ideal for long shifts, reducing fatigue and boosting productivity. Available in capacities from 0.5 ton to 10 tons and lift heights from 3 to 20 meters, the Troy Chain Pulley Block features compact dimensions and a consistent chain structure, making it easy to carry, install, and operate. Troy's embedded locking plate and thickened shell provide added protection during lifting. It's CE certified and also includes advanced safety features that prevent slippage, ensuring safe, secure operation with zero slippage. That's why Troy is trusted in manufacturing, construction, warehousing, railways, mezzanine lifts, and beyond. Elevate your operations with Swift Troy, engineered for strength, trusted for safety. To know more and for expert assistance, contact us on the given details.